Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 and let me show you how to check the system status and the FRP lock on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and home button. Let's hold down together these three keys for a few seconds. Keep holding these keys and release them as soon as warning logo pops up on the screen. Then you have to press volume up in order to continue, and as you can see, that download mode just pops up, and right here in that corner of the screen you can read some interesting features, for example the product name, the current binary, the OEM log, the security download and other stuff. You may also read the FRP log, in my case it's turned on right now, and also the system status. As you can see, my system status is official. Now if you would like to quit this mode, let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and home button. Let's hold down together these three keys, so keep holding these keys and release them as soon as device goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's just be patient, wait until the operation will be completed. And that's it, now you can use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.